Standard 5th, subject English, poem 15, birth part. Before I start this beautiful poem, I would like to give you short introduction related to this poem. Birth Path is a beautiful poem written by Evelyn Stein, paints a picture of her garden on a summer day when robins stopped by to their thirst. So, dear student, this was the short introduction related to this poem. Now, I will recite this poem for you all. Here, please pay attention. In our garden, we have made such a pretty little pool lined with pebbles neatly laid, filled with water, clean and cool. When the sun shines warm and high, robin cluster round its brink. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Then they splash and splash and splash, fluttering little showers bright all around, till off they flash, singing sweetly they delight. Evelyn Stein. So, my dear children, I have recited this poem for you all. Now, I am one by one. I will read the stanza and explain you the poem. Here we start. Birth path. In our garden, we have made such a pretty little pool. Now, in this two line, the poetess Evelyn Stein is trying to tell us that she has made a little pool in her garden, and which is look very pretty and little pool. Dear student, when you are going in garden, you might be seen there is little pool in which the birds come and take a bath on that or drink water in that. Let's see further. Lined with pebbles. Now, what is meant by pebbles, dear student? Pebbles means small smooth stone found on the beaches or at the bottom of river. Such kind of stone you are might be seen in the beach, which is very smooth and round in color, filled with water, clean and cool, and which is filled with water, clean and cool. So here in the first stanza, the poetess says that they have made a very little pool in their garden, and the pool lined with neatly laid pebbles, which is round and beautiful look pebbles, and it is filled with clean and cold water. For whom? For a bird she has made a little pool. Let's move further, dear students. See in the second stanza what the poetess is trying to tell us. When the sun shines warm and high, robin cluster. Now, what is meant by cluster, dear student? Cluster means to be in a small group close together. Around its brink means edge. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Now, what is meant by flutter, dear student? Flutter means the bird is fluttering their wings very fast, a movement to hurry their fluttering their wings. So here in the second stanza, the poetess Evelyn Stein is trying to tell us that during the summer, when it is very hot, the robin birds gather around the pebbles plying on the pool. Usually they are never seen near the pond. We are never see them down near the pond, but on the hot summer days they fly by with a quickly light flapping their wings to beat the heat and sweep the cool water. So when it is the summer season, so they are very thirsty and they come down near the pond to drink water from the pool or any type of pond. Let's, dear student, move to last stanza. What the poetess is trying to tell us now. Then they splash and splash and splash. Now, what is the meaning of splash? Splash means an action which leads to water falling in drops. Spattering. Now, what is meant by spattering, dear students? Spattering means drops of liquid falling onto something. A drop of water, you can say, which is falling on something. So here the spattering little shower bright all around, little of the flash. Now what is mean by flash, dear student? Flash means go quickly, singing sweetly their delight. Now, in the last stanza, the poetess Evelyn Stein is telling us that delighted at the cool feeling, they splash the water all around, creating a beautiful pictures, covering the area all around with bright water droplets gracefully with the experience. The it's showing the bird that they are very happy, and they're showing the experience, they're flying high and singing the beautiful song. The birds are flying high singing sweet songs which express their sense of happiness and contentment. So here the poet is telling that the robin splash around it in the water, spraying the air around with the shower of bright droplet of water. Then they fly quickly by singing a sweet song and flew away up in the sky. Dear student, hope you all understood this beautiful poem. Thank you.